Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 28th, and we are going to take a look at the Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective, looking at the chart. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research, make your own decisions. So, very nice day for Tesla. We closed up $16.85, 2.51%. It's not too bad. Closed at 688.72. Post-market, after the close of the market at 4, we seem to be down by 25 cents. Nothing bad. Let's look at the chart. So basically, what we wanted was that Tesla would remain above 667, which Tesla did. So it's a perfect, well, what happened today is perfectly what we wanted Tesla to do. So look at the bottom of the day. The low of the day is just above 667. So this is further confirming, even though the wick is not directly on 667, it still confirms the support. So the support is still validated. And look at the top. So the high of the day was 694.70, and this is very close to the resistance that we had drawn that was used as support in the past year. So basically the stock is behaving exactly like we expected it to do. I will go on to the hour chart to see if we can understand something more. So basically 9:30, where is 9:30? 9:30. Okay, so 9:30 was right here. So basically in the first hour of the day, we had this big green candle. So this means that some people said Tesla is way too low, I'm just going to buy it. And that drove the price quite high. And then we touched on the second hour. Look at this. This is almost perfection. So we touched the resistance, the first of the double resistance. We touched it. Then we had a pullback. The pullback was not 50% of the first candle of the day. So it was a reasonable pullback. The less amount of pullback you have, the stronger the market is. So this is less than a 50% pullback, so it shows that the stock has some strength. And then towards the end of the day, the stock started going back up again. So perfectly nice for Tesla. Nothing bad to say. Let's finish up with the indicators. So stochastic came back, so it's at 92.96. So it came back up, so perfectly. So that's a green thumbs up. And drum roll. Basically, we are having two thumbs up now, two green thumbs up for the MACD, because the two lines of the MACD became positive. Am I right in saying this? Yes. So the blue line is at 12 and the orange line is at 137. So from a technical perspective, based on my experience and based on the indicators that I like to look at, this is all a go. And the DMI. I didn't talk about the DMI, but it's pretty clear. Look at this. The green line is above the red line. The green line shows the upward strength, and the red line, the downward strength. So the red line is going down. So the strength of the bear within the stock, this is how I can explain it, is going down. So, but yes, the strength of the bull is also going down, but since both are going down at the same time, we have the same distance between the two lines. So all that to say that Tesla is in a great technical position, holding support. The indicators are great. Nothing else to see here. Let's just ride this pony into the horizon. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I publish a Tesla and a Palantir video every weekday. And I started to publish a weekly summary recap of Tesla and also Palantir on Sunday. So if you subscribe, you are going to see those videos in your feed. Thank you for commenting. I read all of your comments. Liking also help my videos for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for Patreoning. Thank you for Discording and for Trading Viewing. TradingView is the platform I am using. If you are interested in a paid plan, I have an affiliate link that you can use. So I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.